In order to accelerate and increase the efficiency of the closing process, today you will learn about the new currency conversion variants in Sage X3 version 11. You will learn how to set up the new feature and navigate the new setup of the currency conversion. In the past, during the currency conversion, the details were taken from the transaction instead of the balances. With large or complicated transactions, the calculations could be very time-consuming. Since the number of records in the balance is much smaller than the journal entry lines, this new update makes the currency conversion process easier and makes the closing process more efficient. Please note, if you are in Germany, previous versions had the balance sheet variance type based on the GER-EVATYP parameter. Although still calculated, the result is only posted in the calculated variance corresponding to the evaluation type indicated in the CNVECAR screen. This was needed to comply with German rules on calculation and posting. These methods are available when executing CNVECAR by choosing evaluation type when the assessment method is selected by journal entry. In Accounts on the Management tab under the Variance type, you will see by journal entry and by account balance. You also have the option to have no conversion calculation done. If you would like to use the previously existing rules based on journal entries, you can choose by journal entry. If you would like to use the new conversion rule based on the balance table and the process which we are discussing in the new update, then you would choose by account balance. When rate type management is selected, you will see a pull-down menu where you can choose how you want your rate to be calculated, either daily, monthly, average, or using a custom method. Note, if the rate and type are managed at the account level, this setup will have priority over any setup done at the execution screen level. The changes are reflected in the accounts listed here. To demo the conversion variance function, we have some customer BP invoices that were entered on October 15th at the old rate of 1.6. And in the lines section, we have some going to our account 41100, which has been set up by journal, and we have some going to our new account of 41110, which has been set up by account balance. After we entered in our invoices, we went and we changed our currency rate. And we changed it from 1.6 to the US to 1.2. So now we are ready to run the conversion variance function. Under Financials, under the Closing Processings, we will select Conversion Variance. The first one we will run is by journal entry. We'll put in our company, and we'll enter in a start date of June 1st through December 31st, 2016. The first time we'll select account 41100, which is our by journal account. This is going to calculate at a fixed rate. We'll tell it to generate the entries, and we'll give it a document type, a journal date, a journal code, and we'll make the reversal date the same as the journal date since 2017 has not been opened. And then click OK. Here, when we review the log, you can see how the currency rates were created and generated. Now let's try it with the account balance. So once again, we'll go under Financials, Closing Processes, Conversion Variance, and this time we'll select by account balance. We'll enter in our company, and we'll enter in our June 1st start date through December 31st. And this time we'll enter in our account, which is by account balance. And notice we do not have a fixed rate. We'll generate our entries. We'll select our entry type, our date, our journal code, and once again make our reversing date the 2016, since 2017 is not open. And then click OK. Notice your log. And the rate calculations by account. Congratulations on finishing this module, understanding the currency conversion process. After completing this module, you will have learned how to set up the new feature and navigate the new setup of the currency conversion.